Hi, good morning, everybody. Now we're going to do this subtotal data in outlines. Okay, so if you have your textbook, it's page 259 to 260. If it is a slides, just 60 to 62 only. Okay, all right. So I've opened the 09 server usage stats. You can download from the assignment there. Okay, we need to save as 09 server usage stats 130.831 solution. Okay, so save it as that first. Next, we need to select A5 to G140. So we need to just drag it down all the way, okay, to G140. Now on the data tab, we go to the data tab and then we go to the sort and filter group. We go to sort. Okay, so when we reach here, all right, which one we need to sort by? We need to sort by the date first. Okay, from the oldest to the newest. Press OK. All right. So now you notice, right, the date all changed already from the first July all the way down. Okay. So on the data tab again, we go to the outline group. Where's the outline group? Okay, over here. And then this time now we're going to do subtotal. Okay. So we click subtotal. All right. So at each change in the list box, each change, okay, with this one, yeah, each change, my right, we want to select department. Okay, and then if necessary, make sure that this is the sum. Okay, if yours is not, you have to go and make sure it is. Okay, in the list of columns, mark add subtotal data, blah blah blah. Okay, we need to take average bandwidth, data in, data out, and transaction. Okay, check summary below data and replace current subtotals. Okay, make sure these two are checked as well. All right, but the one in between is not. Okay, so it should look something like this. All right, so you can see mine and theirs is the same. So we click OK. Now if you notice, all right, suddenly in the Excel, so many new groups have appeared. Okay, so uh yep, so once we have that, okay, then we are done. Okay, because so what actually happens is that for 1st of July, the merchandising total as they'll be created they create a total. So you can see all this add together, the total 156.6 is 156.6. Okay, so this is how they change do it lah. All right, so you see if I control Z, previously don't have anything in between ma, right? And then oh no, I need to do it again. This one. Okay, so subtotal again, yeah, all this, okay, press OK. Then you notice now increase by more things with a lot more things. Okay, then there's also a grand total below. So just close this, save this, and then submit this. Thank you.